I'm going to install a water leak alarm. It's basically like a smoke alarm, only it detects water leaks. This brand happens to be Residio, and it was pretty cheap. Um, they've got these types of alarms at Menards, Home Depot, and I think Amazon even has some. So to start, go ahead and take it out of the packaging, and then this back screws off, and I'll have to put a battery in there. Okay. All right, now the back is screwed on. I've got a plate. You might be able to tell I got some water in it, and let's see what happens. Oh, nice. Okay. It says it's reusable. Now we're underneath the bathroom sink, and put a Rubbermaid toad in here, put the water alarm in, and the idea is if this drain ever leaks, or the faucet leaks, or the sink leaks for whatever reason, it'll be captured in here, and then the alarm will go off. If you don't have this kind of a setup, you could have water leaking down in here for months and never even know it. I'm gonna go ahead and put these underneath all of the sinks in the house, and I'm gonna put one underneath the garbage disposal as well.